So there is a kvCORE mobile app and there's a kvCORE open house app. They're big time savers. So when you use the kvCORE open house app, what will happen, and a quick tip is make sure that you have access to the Wi-Fi or you bring your phone and kind of hotspot, because you do need to leverage the Wi-Fi, in order for it to work the best. And my recommendation is take your laptop, take your iPad. When you have the open house, you can make them sign into it and then you get their right information. It helps validate it and to kind of make sure, like, is that a real number? And then it goes directly into your kvCORE. Back in the, like 10 years ago, were you doing like I was, where you were using the pieces of paper or something where people would write it? It was less efficient. Did you do that? And then my piles of paper would end up over here, and the information, I couldn't read their handwriting. So it takes all of that problem away. So that's a big thing if you're doing open houses, is to download the app, use their app, on your devices. And then what'll happen is when you go there, which is your MLS ID that you're doing the open house, and then it pulls in the information. So it looks very professional for wherever it is. So that's really great. So that if you're doing open houses, and then it makes it go right into your kvCORE, and then you can have an open house automation campaign, is what they call it, set up behind it. And that's a longer story. Yeah. And so I just wanted you to make sure that you knew that those two apps exist. The mobile will look like this, and it'll have like all your contacts in it. It'll show you calls you can make. You can press the button and it'll call your contacts so that, you don't have to give away. There's a lot of avenues we can go down, but just make sure that you have those two apps and start and putting those together.